NASA has observed something weird happening on Uranus. They have discovered the first polar cyclone on Uranus using microwave observations from the Very Large Array Radio Telescope in New Mexico. The cyclone, which is located at the planet's north pole, is about the size of Earth and is surrounded by a ring of clouds that are much warmer and drier than the surrounding atmosphere. The discovery of the polar cyclone is significant because it provides new insights into the weather and climate of the planet. Uranus is a gas giant that is tilted on its side, and its atmosphere is very different from that of other planets in our solar system. The discovery of the polar cyclone suggests that Uranus may have a more active weather system than previously thought. It's also a reminder that there is still much we don't know about the planets in our solar system. To get regular astronomical updates, follow The Secrets of the Universe.